How to minimize your taxes for your estate with proper planning. I don't know about you, but I can get lost in a tunnel when it comes to watching videos. You may be online, whether you're on YouTube, whether you're on whatever, whether you're on Facebook, you name it, and you start watching these estate planning videos and you can go down the rabbit hole really fast. You may see some of them, oh, how should you give your property to your children, blah, 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 how you should give you name it. But in this video, I want to talk about how to minimize taxes when it comes to your estate plan and what's the best way to properly plan for your future and for after you no longer need your property because you've passed away. My name is Megan Troick and I'm the estate planning director here with the Law Office of Brian Fagan. And I want to go ahead and just tell you up front, make sure that you do not get your legal advice from YouTube, from a video. I know that I'm talking to you on a video, but I'm just saying, go get your own estate planning attorney and talk to that person about what's important to you and what you want to have happen to your property when you pass away. Do not leave it for somebody on YouTube to try to tell you what the law is, because you don't even know what state law they're giving you. You don't even know their credentials and whether they're just talking wind. So first of all, get yourself an estate planning attorney. And secondly, you minimize taxes by having a great estate plan. If you have property with a lot of capital gains, don't try giving it to your heirs now before you pass away. If you intend to hold the property and enjoy it during your life, there are many ways that you can give it to the potential beneficiaries for your estate, and you can give it to them tax-free or at the most minimal taxes if one is due. And therefore, you got to be really careful when you're watching these videos online and whether you're getting your legal knowledge from Google. So let's go ahead, let's talk to somebody who hopefully knows what they're talking about. Second way to minimize your estate plan is to make sure that you have the right advisor for the issue that you're talking about. If you're talking about your stock portfolio, make sure that you're talking to an estate planning attorney that actually have a Series 65 or actually know what they're talking about, or you're talking to your financial advisor or your tax advisor who can tell you, okay, these sets of stocks, these sets of bonds, whatever, you may want to sell them before this one, maybe you want to sell it next year. So make sure you're actually talking to somebody who knows what they're talking about. If you are married and you have an IRA, you may want to have your spouse listed as your beneficiary, because then that can be rolled over to them in their name, and then they have their lifetime to be withdrawing from that assets, as opposed to turning it over to your children or to your trust in certain situations where they have 10 years to pull out all that money out of the account. So depending on what you have, depending on the tax consequences, depending on your tax bracket, your estate plan, what you should do with your assets will totally vary. And it's not a one-size-fits-all. And that's why people online or just a Google video who is telling you what to do when it comes to your estate plan is not a good idea. You need to actually sit down with somebody who can know your life, who can look at your circumstances and provide the estate plan that is targeted and tailored to you. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Because you tuned in to the end of the video, we're giving away a free copy of the Texas Divorce Handbook. To claim your free copy, click on the link in the description below, and we'll see you in the next one.